How to view grades and teacher feedback in Canvas. I want to bring your attention to here. It says grades with a 1 next to it. This shows that my teacher has recently graded an assignment. Let's take a deeper look at what that looks like. When I come in Canvas, I can see that there is a blue dot next to here. It shows rough draft, and there's some bubbles there. That is showing that I got a 0 out of 4. If I click on the bubbles, it leaves a comment for me to see that my teacher said, please submit your rough draft. This shows me how you're approaching your work. When in Canvas, on the left-hand side in your course, you'll see the tab called Grades. If you click it, it opens your assignments in the list of your grades based off of that class. So this row is showing me that these assignments are late. The score row shows me the score, and the out of row shows me what the points were out of. Let's take a close look at a specific assignment. So for my example here, I have graded submitting your name tag. I can see the name tag name. I can see that the assignment was submitted late. They scored 49 out of 50, and this little symbol with a clipboard is a rubric. If I click on it, it opens up the score and why the teacher scored the way they did. Not all teachers use rubrics, but when they do, they can be helpful. Extra criteria can be described in the link that says View Larger Description. In this case, there is none. I can see why the teacher gave 10 points for certain areas, and then I also can see that there are comments. Like, I love how your background is so detailed. I assume your symbol is the outdoors. I also can see that there's a comment on a spot where I lost some points. You could have spent more time coloring the foreground. Overall, this is a fantastic job. You got a 49 out of 50. And then that reflects into my grade down below. Another way to view teacher feedback is through comments. Comments can be made on specific assignments. So when you click on your assignment, submitting your name tag, and go to the bottom, you can see submission details. When you click on submission details, not only can you see what your student turned in, but you can also see teacher feedback. So when I click on student details, if I click this right here, it shows me how my student and what they did. You might have to download. Now when I click view feedback, it's going to show me some information. I can see what my student turned in. That's a beautiful name tag. You did a great job. No wonder you got 49 out of 50 points. You will also see up at the top it says show rubric. If I click on show rubric, it shows me exactly the same rubric that I was seeing in the grades. And I'm able to see the teacher's comments and the points that were received for each criteria. Another setting I want to make you aware of is in the Canvas app. If you're using the Canvas app, you can turn on grades so that they are on top of your class. By clicking on the 3 lines and switching Show Grades, it will turn on or off your grades on your Canvas course. This way, when you go to open up your class through the app, you can instantly know how you are doing in your class. Those are my tips for you on how to use Canvas.